Obi Kukumba, Alpha, I hear say they don't demolish your club with the Abuja. Congratulations to you.
Nnamdi Kanu remains God to the Igbos, and he will remain God to me until I die, and he will remain God to all of us.
To you,
even you.
Yes.
Master Nnamdi Kanu, may you live long. In your infinite wisdom, go and serve these people and come back in shame. In Hotesha Gurundi, but one by one.
Akwa Ngige one night, Akwa na Kujekida, Nezuike, Onye Ngige, former governor, former this and that, former minister, Nage Mechano wa Burie, Kukuo Yishi na Kuje, in the quickest judgment ever. Okay, mbra. Look at Nigeria. Look at Nigeria. Nigeria now.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 14th of December 2025, we the team of Magnetic Jigs TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, you can see what is happening already in Igbo. You can see how the government is treating these Igbo politicians, those ones that thought that serving them will make them good, like betraying their brothers. Just like exactly what Mazen and Kalu said. Serve Nigeria and come back in shame. That's exactly what is happening to most of all our Igbo politicians. At the moment, Ngige is in Kuje prison because of some allege of 2.2 billion naira something that he did. Why Yayebero, who also did something similar like that. Even Yayebero money is bigger than Ngige's own. Today, Yayebero is not in anywhere near Kuje prison. He is free doing whatever he wants to do. But once it comes to Onyibo, Nkonibo na Diche, that is Iya Nnamdi Kanu na Gwaha. Join hands together. Let us be one. Let us speak with one voice. Yes, Ayajo. Igbo ana abasasi.
I hope you know the game. As soon as they succeed, Wo Dr. Chris Ngige, mba holotara obodo na Anambra State. Ha ga-emewu, ha buye IPOB, ma buye ESN. Ha ga-say, IPOB, ESN. Kunu ha wuru ndị arụ ala n'ala Igbo. Na-ekpugide eziokwu ihu n'ala. Anya ga-anyachu na anwụ. This is just the beginning. Hey! How the mighty are fallen. Nkwa from frying pan to fire. A na-ekwu na ọkụkọ bụ nshi n'ọkpa. Ọkụkọ ewerezi ọnụ na-atụzi nshi nwa. A na-ekwu na ejidere Dr. Chris Ngige ga-alụ ọkọ ya n'ọfịs ndị EFCC na Abuja. Right now, ha remand alia na Kuje prison. Ndị na-ajụ ajụjụ, ndị na-ede akwụkwọ na-ede akwụkwọ. Ha na-asị, what is happening in this country? Gị nwa nwaanyị na-ajụ ajụjụ ahụ, bịa jụọ m ya. Maka ishi Equatorial Guinea lọta, ma ọ ishi Cameroon lọta, bịa jụọ m ya. I chetere onye a na-akpọ Ike Ekwere Mmadụ. Ike Ekwere Mmadụ serve Nigeria with all his strength, with all his might, with everything in him. With ijagwe ya niile, kurukeri ya niile, zigzag ya niile, serve cha Nigeria. By the way, Nigeria na-ekwu okwu ya, ọkwa the British company. Then, ya nwezie nsogbu na Britain. He burie, wom, lọkọ ya n'ime. Ka a na-ekwu. He burukwa nwunye, wom n'ime, close all the family. No mercy, no love, no friend. Right now, onye na-ekwu okwu ya Dr. Chris Ngige. Somebody now just say, why eji lọkọ ya up n'ime? There is no cause for alarm. Onwe ha wala na-emie. Ndị Greek kwuru okwu ha sị, takangela inayeta palikaria. The prison bars is for the strong men. Ọ ga-apụta. Gịnị kwa nke ọ gara ime dia? Ọ ka hand ya over his new script, already written script. Ka eme ya update, hand ya over. So that onwe ike stay here humble and stay here committed to the cause. Ọ gacha ugbu a shi ebe ahụ apụta. Ọ ga na-apara ọtụzi more than ọjụzọ Kalụ. Nke a na ọ ga-awụzi ndị Awụsa anyụ ahụ, ma ndị Yoruba anyụ ahụ, ma ndị Fulani anyụ ahụ, ya ebughị ụmụnne ndị Igbo ka love na-aga n'ihu. You got that? That is it. So ndị na-ajụ ajụjụ na-asị why eji send her to prison? Whether ma o mere ihe o wee mee, whether ma o meghie, I do not know. But ha remand earlier na Kuje prison. So ndị na-ajụ ajụjụ sị what is happening in this country? Is she Cameroon lọta? Is she Senegal lọta? This is the country a na-agwa gị okwu ya. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, may you live long. In your infinite wisdom, go and serve these people and come back in shame. In Hotesha Grundibo one by one. When the cat is away, the mouse will play. Or just can hand there over his already written script. That's the script there. Get many updates, can hand this area over. You got that? So that common line and a line of talk national art. You know what? No mercy, no love, no friend. Go and serve these people and come back in shame. In Ajum, what is happening? A woman keep saying Jua. You know what? Dr. Chris Ngige, right now as I speak to you, on Akuje prison. Who is next? Who is next? Otaka one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. Or just any script here, so that I can agree every day. Go stay here humble and they committed to the cause. So that when we go to only 1 year, she may homa, Yagwana ha we her job. Oh no, who black, Yagwana no white. That love na gani. Then any other tribe in Nigeria, Yabu Onibo, Kalov na gani who that is it. And Ebu. There's no cause for alarm. Oja Tulunu. On a prison case there, Ebu. You got a he kept a mad no win up at the other side. How law call up in collaboration with the Nigerian politicians. Has the law call her up about I could share you or close your family. You got a so when I serve your people, when I serve your people, depending on which I serve your people, all get depending on what I get share Kumboge city. In Ajum, what is happening? In Ajumia, I won't keep a say that judo. Emana, more than 1 hour more news. Yamber back and be with the update. I'm more com anybody. Maneko can come netieba. Ke happy GM otahi. Amamna, aneche to fembofa hago. Echekola can come and disappear from here before game matter na run here. Update come with you. On Akuje prison. Who is next? How the mighty are falling. God.
Happens to Bikubana as his hotel in Abuja were demolished. So several things are happening to Igbo people that it's time for us to come and join hands together and speak with one voice. Are you getting me? Time for us to come join hands with and speak with one voice. And most especially our politicians. Our politicians are the ones that are destroying our community. Not all of them, but there are bad ones, and those bad ones should stop it. They should stop it. Let us unite. Aibu munne na be hebo ihe kacha mma n'ife na efro na-eme.
Obi Kukumba, Alpha, I hear say they don't demolish your club with the Abuja. Congratulations to you. A very big congratulations to you. Now starting with this, you never see anything. Shebi now you want please Nigeria government, you will be Ido. You want please Nigeria government. So you never know say Nigeria government don't like Ido. You don't know. You don't know say for you to get this kind of billions of money, they vex. They know they like me, they see Ido, they successful. They know they like her. So you don't declare for your eyes, Abi. Because say you want please Nigeria government now, you betray your people, you abandon your people. You never talk anything about this in Kanu. Now, so club, so hotel, they beat up and down. Your people they cry for the freedom for Kanu. You don't support them, you don't join them. November 20, they sentenced Kanu to life imprisonment. Your bastard you, your mumu you don't even come outside to address them. We don't see anything. You are busy building club, hotel. All this money where you get now, if you say you carry this kind of money, enter your state, build school, build great job for the people in the east. Use the money, develop your state. If they say you know go favor you more than this one way they do for you. I be una say until una pack una money, go they give net, go they invest for Nigeria government. Una say na that one until una do that one, una go achieve. Una say na that one be achievement. The only achievement is that you use your money, your power, support your people, speak for your people, on behalf of your people, speak for them, create job opportunity for them. Thunder go fire you. Obi Kukumba, you know go better for you. They don't show you their true color. Yes, They don't show you their true color. That is Nigeria government be that for you. That is Nigeria government for you. Now their true color be that. Olori Buruku, you want to impress Nigeria government. You want to please them. You want to please them. When say they don't like you though. Despite the fact that you get this kind of billionaire, you get this kind of billion, they still do you this thing. So that one not tell you say they don't like it though. I be one time me say $10 no get property. That will be Yoruba. Fed me $10. Why they don't go build that one? Why they don't go destroy that one? Property where you get for Lagos. Why they don't go destroy? Why be saying are you? They mad. Your sense go tell you. You know go better for you. It is grace for you not to even talk anything about Nnamdi Kanu. Obi Kukumba, thunder go fire you. Uta. Stupid man. Asaro Tokumbo, Belen Atanka, Alpha. You are a convinced bastard Tokumbo. Today you be Igbo. Tomorrow you be Hausa. Next tomorrow you be Ijo. Another tomorrow you be Aboki. Another upper tomorrow you be S-Men. My guy, stay one place. Ogu they kill you. Stay one place, Tokumbo. Stay one place. They mad. You don't go better for you. Don't they go fire you allegedly. See where you belly la person who swallow GP. Ogu they kill you. Why your belly big like that? You swallow mountain of fire. You don't go better for you. Allegedly. Don't they fire you allegedly. Even they get mind, audacity. Go they threaten you too. They threaten Nnamdi Kanu. Say go they kill them, go do that one. Go. Ogu they kill you. I go 5 person finish. They come they attack them. IPOB. I beg, who are the unknown gunmen? Because now they don't attack all these unknown gunmen as IPOB. Because any small thing na IPOB. Any small thing na IPOB. Tiger base go 5 people finish. They go talk say na IPOB. Imagine this bastard and stupid useless Asaro Tokumbo. He go come outside on camera. They 30 people. Say go 5 people with gun with cala for hand for camera like this so 30 people finish. Then the next day we go hear say some group of people don't buy. They go talk say na IPOB. They no go talk about the Asaro Tokumbo wey show us gun on camera just see the way they 30 people. They no go hold that one yo. Don't they go fire una? Now just they find way to destroy you. I no go work. When I go hold like Asaro Tokumbo responsible for all those unknown gunmen where they shout say na IPOB. They no be IPOB, they be Asaro Tokumbo boys. I bet you Yahweh. Who are the unknown gunmen? Who they kill you? Who are they? We shall be IPOB. Which day you don't ever see anybody, any IPOB member come on social media or camera. They 30 people. You know never happen. All those when they see, they are not IPOB. We be in Abikanu boys. No, not be them. All those one na government property they be. Na Asaro Tokumbo people boys na they be. When they talk all the way they call the user they spoil IPOB name. They say IPOB na they be terrorists. You know go better for you Asaro Tokumbo. Don't I fire you if I hold you. Asaro Tokumbo. If I hold you the way I reverse on you. If I go they kill you. Don't I go fire you. Stupid man. Stupid people. And you beg.
Nonso Nkwa kwutekwara okwu ihe gbasara Ngige and ihe na-eme na Igbo wee yakwa dododo wee sị let us unite together. Nonso Nkwa has pleaded that we all should come and unite together because time is coming when our unity will bring us something bigger than we even expected, something beautiful than we even expected. Just listen to Nonso Nkwa and what he said.
Ade ma Igbo Chineke kalamacho ezima puliche Igbo de savage mnakana ebe ahi n'ugbu a na ị na-enweta onwe gị otu aka m sa nnabata gị kpọmkwem n'oge ihe omume anyị chi bọọla anụ ọzọ buke na bịara gị kpọmkwem na Nonso Nkwa ọchịwọ nakwa official Nonso Nkwa TV na YouTube. Achọrọ m imekwa ka ndị Igbo mara ọzọ maka na ndị be anyị sị na ebe nwata na ebe akwa atụ aka ma nne ya anọghị ebe ahụ nna ya nọrọ ya maka na akụkata aka n'obi egosi ndị mmụọ ebe ndụdụ mmadụ. Chris Ngige, former Minister of Labor and Productivity, as we speak, nọ na Kuje prison. Ọkwa dị Kuje? Ọ nọ na mkpọrọ. Ọ nọ n'ụlọ mkpọrọ now. Gịnị ka achịrị o mere? na ebu ya ebubo na ọ tapịara 2.2 billion as a minister. Now got by 2.2 billion as a minister. The quickest judgment was Ozwe Brulie Pam from Olia, Piam to Koto, Piam to prison. Former governor, former minister under APC. Now, Yahaya Bello, a former governor. Ka EFCC no name invite Ojuno Mambia. EFCC may invite Ojuno Mambia. EFCC aga ka ebrie no nia oboso. EFCC aga ka may arrest oboso. Omecha file akwụkwọ against EFCC. Si na ebe ọwụ na asị na ọ na-ebo ya ebubo na ọ tapịara ego ndị Kogi dị 80.2 billion. Na ekpechiri ikpe na Kogi ana-edebeti ka ahụ. Until the higher court enye order. Si na ọ ga-abịarịrị court na Federal High Court na Abuja. Before you know it, o jiri aka ya nnọọ gazia EFCC. Akpọrọ ya gaa court. Agara ya gaa Kuje. After a few days, akpọrọ ya gaa court enye ya bail ọla. A case of nda na-ebo obibo ohi abụọ. Ofu onye ugwu, ofu onye Igbo. Onye nke ugwu zuru 80.2 billion. Onye nke Igbo zuru Owudi no zuru ezu. In fact, EFCC amachaho the law. Here procurement act. Here we have about procurement act. Yahaya Bello embezzlement. Ngige procurement. Probably emere allocate to ministry ya. Onwere otu oshiri gaghị ụzọ. Mana I know when other ministers when could a problem with the procurement, whatever and whatever, yet EFCC didn't arrest them. They are going about their normal life, normal duties. Ufoda galo bodo ibo general. Ole iho jiburu no Ngige ke chetreho. As a former minister under Buhari, now support to this government. Oh yes, Ngige I support this present administration of Tunumbu. Atotowala one by one. One after the other. As far as Ikwehi in Emperor Kuru. Who no grief for waiting Emperor talk? One ne age brugi. The problem with our people, Ndi Bowo, anya chopota beho. Na ndị abụrụ anyị na ndị aso. Ndị Igbo achọpụta be na ọ bụghị anyị na ndị aso, ọ bụghị anyị na ha so. Onye ọbụla bụ onye ndu na Igbo, gọvanọ Igbo, this and that Igbo, gị na-eme ka gị na ndị a dị na mma. A day of reckoning is coming for you. Mgbe ha ga-eforo gị kero. When your usefulness is no longer useful, they will useless you. Ka nkwukwe ya ọzọ maka ndị ndu Igbo na-amatabeghị ihe ji ha eme n'obodo a. When your usefulness is no longer useful, they will useless you. Mark today's date. Mark ya. Bagari wano hanazo. Mebenu ihe man kasi unu mema kasi unu eme na eme nu to impress them. Meweni ihe owu unu eme to impress them. Impress outsiders. One day, your usefulness will no longer be useful and they will useless you. Muna amabe ihe wu ụmụnna wike unu wu ndị Igbo si na unu wu governor, unu wu senators, House of Assembly, House of Rep, ministers, unu ama ihe wu igwe wike izu kama na nneji muna ama ya onwe ihe unu ga-ama. Bio nwanne m ụmụnna wike onye agha ala nwanne ya o unu che na egwu a ma unu okwu a na onweghị mmiri nọ n'ime. When you keep impressing outsiders, one day they will throw you out, and the only option you have is your people. But unfortunately, you abandon your people to impress outsiders, and outsiders will throw you out. Where will you go? Bio nwanne m ụmụnna wike onye agha ala nwanne ya o but unu aghachala ụmụnne unu gbakwuru ndị ugwu gbakwuru ndị ofe mmanụ na-eche na ọwa ebe ahụ ka ndụ dị unu che na ebe ahụ ka ndụ dị olee ebe ndụ dị na Chukwu onye kere igwe na ala mana unu amaghị na ndụ dị n'ụmụ ụmụnne unu ụmụnna gị igwe wike ụmụnna ha wee ike ọsọ chụmara gị amaga ayọ n'ụlọ nna gị ụmụnna gị eme gịnị akọva agụ protect agụ jisiri ike gbagwagwenu n'ama ndị ọkamma n'ama gbamanụ n'ama ịnụna femenu n'elu unu alụtakwala ụlọ ha set you up against your brothers. Let them keep setting you people up against your brothers. By the time April n'ọchịchị ka ị ga-aghọta okwu am na-ekwu ka ọ ga-abara gị uru. By the time April n'ọchịchị, that time ị ga-alọtazi village. Bịa chọọ ka gị na ụmụnna gị nwee meeting. Bịa chọọ ka mgbe ahụ mebi ịlọta ị ga-ịchọ zụọ mmanya zụọ ntazi kpọọ ụmụnna gị oku ka ha bịa. Ndị ga-abịa n'ụwa probably 1 or 2 persons. Ụmụnna gị agaghị abịa. Nọrọ n'ọchịchị kama ị ga-anọ n'ọchịchị mejie agbata obi gị na ụmụnna gị mejie relationship gị na your people mee ka gị na your people dị na mma ọzọ adịghị ama mgbe ị pụrụ n'ọchịchị because when those people will throw you out ndị ga-anabata gị ụmụnne gị they will protect you, they will guide you, they will fight for you, they will block everything. Ihe ọbụla bịara ime gị they will block it. Bịa nwanne m ụmụnna wike onye agha ala nwanne ya o ekwuchakwa m ọkwa Ngige nwanne anyị ọkwa nọ na Kuje kịta na-ezu ike onye gwa Ngige former governor former this and that former minister na a ga-emecha n'ụwa buru ihe kukpuo ya isi na Kuje in the quickest judgment ever. Ọ ga-ekwe mba ọma nkwe unu niile wu ndị Igbo ma ndị senators nọ na House of Assembly House of Senate ma ndị nọ na House of Rep ma ndị House of Assembly ma ndị governors ma ndị commissioners ma ndị ministers ndị niile kama ị ga-edefend ụmụnne gị bụrụ ụmụnne gị bụpụtara ndị outsiders ha na-atụchachi ụmụnne gị kama ị ga-ekwu okwu ga-akwalite the integrity of your people, the integrity of where you come from gị na-atụchachi ya gị na-eme ha na-akọta ụmụnne gị na-ekwu inyo about your people just to impress outsiders. One day, your usefulness now will be very useless, and they will useless you. They will throw you out. By the time you ga lokuta in a village, ka ị na-aga ṅụọ mmiri nkwụ ụkọ amami na agọta ka ị na-aga bịa taa n'ọjị meeting n'ime village n'ime kindred. Ọkwa ị ga-ayọ, you go come back now. Ị ga-agba n'elu, ị ga-eto n'elu, ị ga-efe n'elu, ị ga-ebi n'elu. You will come back to your fatherland by that time. Egoshizie gị ihe ọkụ ji ntị oke eme bụ na agaghị akwanyere onwe unu ugwu. Ọ dị madịka ka ahụ na-ewu. More money has entered into the coffers of the state governors of Nigeria. Now listen. Allocation enyere na ndị governors and ndị local government chairmen in 2022 were 9.18 trillion. Mgbe Tinubu bara, ye may increase to 10.9 trillion naira. By 2024 last year, 15.26 trillion. In fact, between January this year and October this year, Nnamdi state governors and local government, 18.54 trillion naira. Now, where is the effect of this money? Ole effect, the positive effect of Egonde and Inelufuga, especially during Tinubu, there was double, triple allocation to states and local governments. Where is the effect? The governors are on wom. Governor Gano Katashigi the Amere Summit, 10th Amanana Summit, 3 billion. Ordinary 10th Amanana Summit, Ashemebe, 3 billion. Ono Kanande again and Shibia, Megan and Desho Ibobia, Madola saying and then should have a big walk at the summit. Egonda here, how these people useless and waste our money. I don't know the guy Peter Obi. Peter Obi was even telling the president every year like president here now. Gebiego Okwelego Gebi 2026, which is 17.89 trillion. Katunubu Gebi in 2026. Ayana Hubanyao 2025 fine on him Tunubu Biri 10.42 trillion. Katunubu Biri na 2025. Few months ago, can this Senate that they want to guinea on the 2024 budget. 2024 budget can they use? 2025 budget manekwele go like 2026. A wasteful, reckless, rascality kind of government. Oh, I want to know about Nigeria. You want brain? You want to change that? Then where? We are suffering. Nigerians are suffering. That they big anyhow. Local state governors here. Real local government chairman here. It's a shame. It's a shame that Nigeria, and when the professors, intellectuals, or to lecturers, but at the end of the day, well, ndechigunu wunde na gasku, ndechigunu wunde na enwe ham, ndechigunu wunde nde yaga. But yet, it is in a country that can boast of fine intellectuals, fine professors, nde juburishi emehe, but well, ndechiga nde juburishi emehe, ndele enwe ham. Now, look at it now. Look at Nigeria. Look at Nigeria. Look at Nigeria. Nigeria now. We are just here suffering and smiling. That's all. Malakaina aga nubi. Kajinaka. Obachinta. Anya chono urenchi. Nde wono.
Why demand for everything? For the phone is meant. I want to know the man guy the phone. Before everything. Bring the now
yeah, I'm the owner.
Where am I?
Yeah.
You are these people.
No. No, let me follow. Come.
Belongs to who?
Me.
The vehicle belongs to who?
My sister. My sister.
Hello. Sir? Alpha. They confirm. Yes, sir. Not confirm. Yes, sir. Alpha, I don't do the 100 again. Oh, yeah. The 30% now, add you. I think come on, that person even send the money. Let me this guy come. I can come.
Solomon, I love you. No. I think they maybe one that I sleep down now.
I just want to check your bag. Come and see your places.
No, I know please, not only up I do. No, iron there, then this one a power chain. Now see the power chain on top, now the green one.
The one that I want to be an economic. On your back there. I know the Cuba has now. I never remember. I know the Cuba has now. Well done.
How you doing? You na video.
What is I gonna do? There's one guy. There's one on the Cuba has arrived now. With them, then I'm also. So I know the Cuba has now. Honorable Council representing Okweti to World. Honorable Thank God Obinna, his lobby.
The name, please.
I'm on a Cuba heads right now.
I swear. All right. Thank you.
Honorable Desoma.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to
stop only one place. I want to check the area when we can find the land, and then we can go.
Dear friends, this is very funny indeed, but you can see that Ijele is one of the people that has been speaking against Nnamdi Kanu. But in this his live video or in this his platform, one of his friends stood on his ground, telling Ijele that Nnamdi Kanu is a god to him and to all Igbos. And Ijele is like, Nnamdi Kanu can never be my god. Nnamdi Kanu, that he did not even believe in that god in heaven. Talking more of believing in Nnamdi Kanu stuff. But this fan of his, this follower of Ijele stood on his ground. Guys, this guy in a real confirmed Igbo guy, he stood on his ground, making Ijele to understand that betraying his brother or saying ill of his brother Nnamdi Kanu is not going to save him anything.
And you didn't give me the privilege.
No, I don't bring
this one.
I don't bring people up if I don't know you. So when I want to speak to you, that's when I'll bring you up. When you are done talking, you drop. I only leave people I know because of all these ones that be coming and be reporting my stream. So that's why I don't bring people up. Go ahead.
Okay. Anyway, there is nothing much I want to say than I always enjoy seeing you sitting comfortably while you people are mocking Nnamdi Kanu. It's really unfortunate. I also see the guy up there, how he was talking about the Erima. If there is two, let me tell you, we actually take,
as far as hold on, Xavier, hold on, Xavier, please don't interrupt him. Go ahead.
The thing is that I wish you guys know what we have in Nnamdi Kanu. Maybe most of you will not be coming and trying to bring him down.
Explain those things.
Nnamdi Kanu remains God to the Igbos, and he will come. He will remain God to me until I die, and he will remain God to all of us.
To you,
even you.
Yes, no, to you.
Even
no,
you.
To you. No,
Nnamdi Kanu. Let me tell you,
let him be a god to you. Hold on. You see the problem with you people. You are now forcing him on me. Then where is that free will for me to decide? So how are you now? What gave you the right to make him a god over me? When even your God in heaven had, hold on, please. I don't even believe in your God in heaven. Fuck your God in heaven and now this Baba. Are you not saying that you're insulting me on my own platform now?
No. I'm not insulting you.
No. You are free to call him your God, but don't make that mistake again. If you know where it was decided that Nnamdi Kanu is the God of Igbo, you give us the evidence. Like I said, you are free to call him your God. It's your business. But do not make such a comment again where smart people are. You can't, no matter how you are seeing him, he is that thing to you, not to me. Go ahead.
Okay. Anyway, let me withdraw that statement. But what I know is that if you know what happened in Yoruba land, the one they have, how they protected it, nobody comes to social media to talk down on him. this man.
Protected what? Which one? Which one are you talking about?
The Yoruba man now. I don't remember the one that went to Cameroon. I Friday or what did they call him? But what
you see, you don't even know. Hold on. Wait. You see, you don't even know the story you are talking about. You are talking about Sunday Igboho.
Sunday Igboho, thank you. Yes.
Hold on, I'm coming. Sunday Igboho, that Yoruba people were rejoicing online with me the day he was imprisoned in Cotonou. We were on Twitter. Esther was there. Abe Governor was there. Many of my friends, I know, was there. Even Shege, that is now in Villa, was there. And they were all celebrating the arrest of Sunday Igboho. Now, why do you think Sunday Igboho did not bring the type of destruction Nnamdi Kanu brought in Alibo in Yoruba land? Is because their elders were not in support of the rubbish. So, see the difference between both societies. Are you understanding it now?
Now, when you know, Nigerian government have done all the possibilities to bribe Nnamdi Kanu. If this Nnamdi Kanu is for destruction, if this Nnamdi Kanu you are talking about, have you seen any property that they will say this is Nnamdi Kanu's?
Hold on. If about property, okay. Yes, his house in the UK, as at 2019, the house was worth £10 million. £10 million. His house, we at the Swiss cottage where he was living with Uchechi. Are you understanding me now? At Enugu State, Nza Street, there is a house a politician dashed him. That Anambra girl, he got pregnant. That girl was 16 years when he got the girl pregnant. I believe this family still lives there now. So if you don't know anything about this, your God, maybe you go and look for where they wrote the real information about this, your God. And this one you're saying they try to bribe him. Is it this person that is begging to be brought back to Abuja? That who bribed? You see, you anyway, go and finish what you want to say. Let me.
Yes, let me finish before you drop me. Honestly, we don't know what we have, and we are trying to be manipulative. I told you that they bribe Nnamdi Kanu, and the evidence is there.
Where
Nnamdi Kanu said it. He has been saying it. Tell me one thing that Nnamdi Kanu have said that is lying.
Listen, I'm coming. Hold on. You are taking Nnamdi Kanu's "trust me, bro" as evidence. Now, this is the same Nnamdi Kanu that told you there will not be any election in Nigeria in 2015, and there was election. This same Nnamdi Kanu told you that Buhari passed on in Saudi Arabia was replaced with Jubilee Al Sudan. This same Nnamdi Kanu collected you people's money, said he was going to Ukraine, and instead of Kiev, they caught him at room 303 at the Golden Tulip Airport Hotel. The same person that promised you that Biafra will come in 2019. The same person that said in 2020 that if he does not give you Biafra by the end of 2020, that you know he was not sent by Elohim. 2020 came and passed. Elohim did not come. Elohim disappointed him. Elohim no show up. And this is the same person, because he was telling you that they want to bribe him. Now you are taking it at face value that it happened, right?
If Buhari did not die, God should take my life now. The Buhari died, and
you are not. If you were
that
alive,
is honest.
If you were alive,
let me tell you, Buhari died, and that is the truth.
If you
Buhari
alive, you for don't buy.
I know you will drop me.
No,
I know you want to drop me.
No, I'm trying to block one also. I want to block one also. Okay? If they say you die alive, you for don't buy. The fact that you said that
Buhari died. Buhari died. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu remains, and forever. Buhari died already, and we all know that. Forget about all these things they are doing. Buhari died.
Oh.
And what now? You just see why did Buhari die after 2 years? Did they show you the evidence, the video, the picture of Buhari when they brought him back from UK?
The Kanu started telling you he died in 2017.
Yes, he died in 2017.
Hold on now. So Buhari was passed on in 2017, and Nigerians allowed a different person, even article with his intelligence network, Obasanjo with his intelligence network. Buhari, the same Buhari contested for 2019, went and shook hands with Joe Biden, the American president. So you are telling me you can use a clone to meet an American president, Abi? Yeah?
I said this the other day that is there any evidence to prove that the Buhari met Joe Biden? Is there any evidence?
Joe Biden.
Is there any evidence?
You did not
I
see.
didn't. I have searched. After you said it that day, I searched. Nothing like such.
You searched. You did not see Buhari and Joe Biden. Even
yes,
at
after 2017. After 2017. After 2017, such thing never happened. After 2017.
Hey.
Okay, tell me. After the inauguration of Tinubu as president.
Hold on. I want to ask you another one. Hold on. So, a clone accessed UN building with a phony ID card, Abi, like the presidential side, Abi.
Then what happened to Abuja when he couldn't go inside the Asoro? They said what was this and that. All of us know all this. He couldn't. They said he would be working from home.
You because
we all know all this.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye. Merry Christmas in advance.